Happy automation!
Hey guys, we are going to see how to add a description and title of a Pinterest in a bulb, and we'll generate with the ChatGPT. Here, first step, you will need to open here 3 tabs. 2 are required and 1 is optional, but you will need to set up your workflow this Google Sheet. If you doesn't know how to connect a Google Sheet with your workflow, I'll give a link of this video in a description and a I button. You can see it. And firstly, we'll go in a ChatGPT, and here is the ChatGPT workflow, and it's generated for just a Pinterest. It will generate a title and description for your Pinterest, and if you wanna change this query, you can see here a fourth log of its workflow, and you can edit its JavaScript code, and you can see here that's a query you can edit. And next step is you'll need to duplicate to your Pinterest tab as you want. I'll just duplicate a fourth time. After generating, we'll place here just a 5 image on each and create a character. Move on next. Here also 5 and also move on next. Remember that it must be a 5 and not more than 5 because I was facing an error. Now it's successfully selected. Now I'll go on a first Pinterest tab, and now firstly we'll generate with ChatGPT description and title, and here you can, it's empty. Our Google Sheet is empty, and here is a ChatGPT workflow, and I'll play it. It will ask how many title and description you want to generate, and just I'll input here 5 and I'll wait for it. It may take us some time, and I'll wait for it. When it's successfully generated, I'll use it better. Successfully generated will move on a Google Sheet. We can see here it's generated successfully, and we'll add here in a C column or link which we want to place in a Pinterest, and here it's already in a clipboard. Now I'll place on all. Now our next step will be a move on a first Pinterest tab, and now move here in Automa Pinterest workflow. In a Pinterest workflow, you will not able to see it when you will run it. Just play it. I hope you understand. You are not able to see it, but it's successfully typed, and now you can publish it. I hope it's very useful for your daily life.